here, but I think I just discovered what Donald Trump's evil plan is about deploying the National Guard and federalizing the police to arrest people is, and why he wants to expand it all over the country. It's not about fighting crime, it's about making money. Our prison system is already overflowing. It's already maxed out. It's got way too many people in it. So what's going to happen? Where's he going to put all these people he's arresting? He's going to contract out new prison facilities. Basically, he's going to say, oh, we need the place to put all these people. We need to build more facilities. And so then he's going to start taking bids on contracts from private enterprises to build prisons, which the government will then pay. The government will pay the people that bid on the work, or whatever money that is required to build the prison, and they'll take whatever bid seems to be the most logical or whatever. But then guess what's going to happen? Donald Trump's going to get a kickback out of that. He's going to get a percentage of that money from the government that's supposed to go to build the prison. It's going to go to him. And then once the prisons are built, guess what's going to happen? You do realize in this country and other countries, well, mainly this country, there are private security firms that run our federal prisons. Most of them aren't run by the federal government anymore. They're run by private businesses. And most of those businesses are friends with Trump. And once all those prisons are in place and they need staff to staff them, he's going to take bids from private security contract companies to come in and run the prisons. And guess what Trump's going to do again? He's going to take a percentage. His buddies are going to get the money from bidding on contracts from the government. The government's going to give them the money, and then Trump's going to dip his wick in, and he's going to get a percentage of that money. He's going to make money. And the more prisons he opens up, and the more prisoners he puts in those prisons, the more money he's going to make. He's not about trying to take over the country. He's just trying to make more money. That's all he's doing. He doesn't care about crime. He doesn't care about keeping you safe. He just wants to make more money. So, in my opinion, that's Trump's evil prison plan. So, anyways, please watch this whole entire video. Don't just disregard the view. I'm sorry, I could have put one of my e-bike videos over it or something, but I mean, I might still do that. Anyways, I hope that Trump's plan fails and that we aren't screwed because he wants to make more money. Okay, with that, remember to have a wonderful wherever you are, and I will see you in my next video. I guess I am going to put an e-bike thing over this, so it's kind of an e-bike video still. But anyways, all right, bye.